passion, challenges, and we would like to invite you to Bit Precision, where has technologies and dreams. Bit Precision is specialized. The high-quality precision parts processing company has made wear-resistant tungsten carbide tools, jig and tool for molds through grinding process, and we have provided them to domestic and overseas markets. Since its establishment in 2005, we have actively broken into overseas markets and have secured a dedicated measurement room with constant temperature function all the year to provide more stable quality as the market gradually expands. We have also improved measurement accuracy by introducing a three-dimensional measuring machine. In addition, we have increased the number of parts items through cooperation with in-house processing and cooperator. By the end of 2015, we have 17 clients in Japan and 2 in China. We are growing as the professional manufacturer of precision parts processing by securing CNC and universal cylindrical grinding machines, optical profile grinding machines, surface grinding machine as of the end of June 2019. We have introduced a new cylindrical grinding processing method. A working process using the existing universal cylindrical grinding machine was very hard work because they had required positioning as turning the handle every moment by hand. Therefore, we have developed a cylindrical grinding method by CNC control, and with the G-code command, the processing has been automated and have increased till the micron degree of precision of it. Even if micron tolerance, it has led to the mass production for the products. Along with this, we have expanded the scope of precision processing through cooperation with subcontractors, like as cutting of metals using CNC lathe and machining center, cylindrical and profile grinding, surface and honing grinding, lapping for polishing, WED for cutting, EDM for forming and drilling. We have supplied the demand for precision products in small quantities lot with various specialized processing technologies in this area. We have a dedicated measuring room with constant temperature control and various precision measuring instruments and three-dimensional measuring machine, and also issue inspection report about the precise tolerances. We can provide even geometrical tolerances, including concentricity if necessary. Our major products are used the molds of semiconductor assembly process, and tungsten carbide parts are used the mold of air conditioning and the making motor core. Also, various wear-resistant tools for automotive parts processing. The whole staff of our company will continue to grow into a world-renowned small giants company through precision parts processing with constant passion and challenge.